university for being a good influencer and consistent honors. One afternoon, she and her boyfriend are studying at room together with Ava's friend.
I have to go. Nakalimutan kami, pupuntahan pa nga pala ako.
I have to go as well. 5 na eh. Mahaba pa biyahe ko.
Tara natin.
Thanks for helping, Aba. Grabe, sobrang talino mo talaga, kaya marami naingit sa'yo. Ariga, thanks. Bye!
Bye! Bye! But there's emergency at home. Let's continue this tomorrow. Is it okay? Hindi na ako sa party nito.
No, you should go. I can go my own.
Are you sure?
Kailangan ko pa itong tapusin. Malapit ko na tayo.
Delikado na sa daan. Huwag ka naman pag-uwi.
Bro, did you notice? Parang ilang araw na hindi ko ang bago siya.
Alam mo, there's something wrong about that. Yeah. Kasi usually, wala naman siya pinakalagpas na house na studies.
Well, if you remember, the last person who accompanied her was her boyfriend, Jay. Remember, hindi wala natin silang dalawang magkasama.
Oh, ano ba to? Ang baho. Teka. Ha? Tao? Patay!
This morning, January 22, 2021, a well-known and smart student from the Manila University named Ava found them in the stock room. They said that the last person who accompanied her was her boyfriend, Jay. However, the investigation are still ongoing and we can't conclude anything yet. This is a Daniel Cruz, keeping you updated to everyday news.
Yes? Hello? Who's this?
Sir, this is the student of the university. We're sorry to inform you. Natagpuan po dito sa campus ni Ava. She's found dead at this time.
Bawal dito, sir. Under investigation ang lugar na to.
Tumagingin ka.
Dito,
Di ba ikaw ang kaibigan ni Aba? Sino gumawa nito?
wala rin po ang alam. Naalala ko lang po, iniwan ko po sila magkasama ng boyfriend niya, si Jay. Madilim na po nun eh.
Asa si Dave? Ano ginawa ko sa anak mo? Ikaw may kakagawa nito.
Nabalitaan niyo na ba yung nangyari sa jowa ni Pao?
Lakas ng boses mo, pre.
Nako, baka narinig niya ako.
Pero kanina maga nakita yun, di ba? Tapos sabi, siya daw yung huling kasama nung last time na nakita silang, at parang, yun, dito sila sa school, sila daw yung magkasama.
Oo, kami yun ang iwan sa kanila nun sa room.
Tayo.
Oo,
Tayo, pre.
I didn't do anything wrong. If I can take back the time, sana hindi na kita iniwan na ba? Sana hindi na kita iniwan. Hindi ko kinakayang husgan ng mga tao sa paligid ko. Should I take my own life? Hindi ko alam eh. Pero kung gagawin ko to, Parang pinatunayan ko lang na guilty ako. I'm really, really sorry, Aba.
Sir, please help me. Hindi po talaga ako nagkakaroon.
I wanted to believe you. But Jay, they pointing at you. Isa pa, they check ang mga CCTV and it was damaged. Kung sinabi mo umuwi ka na, lakot na lahat ng mga iyon.
Sir, sinabutayan ako ng totoong pumatay. Ako po ang muling kasama ni Aba bago ako umuwi. But I didn't do anything. Nauna ako umuwi, nasaktan din ako. But this is wrong. I'm really wrongly accused.
Did Mr. J recover?
Sir, ano po ang resulta? Hindi po talaga akong pumatay.
Yes, we know that, Mr. J. And it happened na may CCTV ang tindahan sa labas ng school niyo.
And it was you came home early or before 5 p.m. Is that enough? Can I see the footage? Wait. See? If you're gonna look at my phone, it looks like I'm typing. I'm texting Ava that time, saying that she must go home before gumabi. We had our conversation. Can I look into it?
You're telling the truth. It matches the time that you're typing. Same with the CCTV footage. And the time you sent your message.
Rest assured, sir, we can use it.
So meaning, hindi pala talaga siya yung pumatay, napagbintangan lang siya. So, ginudge siya ng marami without knowing the real side, kung ano yung totoo. So, see? We shouldn't spread anything just like with this video. So, kasi makaka-apekto tayo sa ibang tao eh. This were going to happen if we will believe everything that we hear around us. If we judge by just having partial point of views, hindi lang yung mga nakikita natin sa social media yung kinikilatis dapat nating mabuti, kundi yung mga nangyayari din sa tunay na buhay. So, it should goes the same with actual o sa mga binibitawan nating salita. Kasi nga, it can lead to misinformation or fake news just like with this video. Especially nowadays na uso na yung mga marites dito, dyan, everywhere, ganyan. We should start to practice being holistic in this life and analyze every information that we get. So, dapat tayo, hindi na natin gayahin yung mga marites. Kasi nga, 'di ba, nagsisimula ang lahat sa pag-a-apply ng mga ikinikilos natin sa tunay na buhay. So, also, we should analyze informations mapa-social media man o in physical life before natin i-spread o ibahagi sa iba because it can affect other people and other people's life. So, hindi lahat ng naririnig natin ay totoo. Let's look for different point of views and confirm before you conclude because maybe at last, mali pala yung binibitawan mong salita. So, that's all. What I'm pointing is, be holistic, not partial. Analyze, not conclude immediately. So, yun lang. Bye-bye!